Today, we're digging into a pretty wild question for anyone who's ever wanted to create content. Is it possible to make a full, original video series using just an idea and, well, nothing but free AI tools? We're going to follow a step-by-step guide from a creator named Greg Obeto to see if this is actually for real. So this is the big question, right? Can you really go from a thought in your head to a finished, fully narrated video without spending a dime and letting AI do all the heavy lifting? I mean, it sounds like something out of a movie, but the tools are here, right now. And the answer, believe it or not, is a big yes. So in this explainer, we're going to pull back the curtain and show you exactly how it's done. All right, so here's our game plan. We'll kick things off with the big promise of what this AI stuff can do. Then we'll dive into crafting the audio. That's the foundation. From there, we'll explore two different ways to make it visual: the classic montage and then a more futuristic route with AI avatars. We'll stack them up side by side, and finally, we'll put together your new creator toolkit. Okay, first things first. Let's talk about what we're actually trying to do here. This isn't about just editing some old clips. We're talking about generating a totally original, scripted video podcast from pretty much a single thought, from zero to a finished product. So, in the original experiment, the goals were super clear. The topic was the law of attraction. The format was a quick 4-minute chat between two AI hosts named Lucia and Carlos, trying to capture that viral social media clip feel. And the most important rule of all, the budget was exactly $0. Everything, and I mean everything, is built on the audio. It is the absolute foundation of this whole project. So how in the world do you create a good conversational audio track out of thin air? Well, it's basically a two-step move using a couple of really powerful and totally free tools. First, you get an AI writer, something like DeepSeek, which works a lot like ChatGPT, to generate a full script. Then you take that script and plug it into Google's Notebook LM, which is just incredible at turning that text into realistic audio. And this is where the real magic happens. You don't have to write a single word of the script. You just give the AI a simple prompt, something like, hey, create a 4-minute script about the law of attraction with 2 hosts. And just like that, it spits out the entire conversation. So after he took that script and made the audio with Notebook LM, the original creator's reaction kind of says it all. He said it was a conversation so natural, you literally can't tell it's AI. He used the word brutality to describe it, which basically means the quality was so good, it was just brutal, just shocking. Okay, so now you've got this perfect AI-generated audio file sitting on your computer. What's next? How do you make it a video? Well, path 1 is what we'll call the visual montage. It's the fastest, most straightforward way to get this done. And the process here is dead simple. You just drop your new audio file into a free video editor like Clipchamp. Then you go to a site like Pexels, grab some nice-looking free stock videos that fit your topic, and just layer them over the audio. And for the final touch, you click one button and the editor automatically generates subtitles. Done. And that's really it. In just a few minutes, you have a professional-looking video. And the key thing here is that this isn't just a toy. It's a real, monetizable piece of content you can upload to YouTube or anywhere else. But what if you want something a little more, futuristic? Something that really screams AI? Well, that brings us to path 2. This is where we use AI avatars that will actually speak your script for you, right on screen. So for this path, we're going to use a tool called Jawk. It's a really cool platform that can generate a video of 2 AI characters having your exact conversation. But there's a catch. There's one little technical problem we have to solve first with the free version. And here's the roadblock. That amazing high-quality audio file we got from Notebook LM, it's too big. The creator's file was about 14 megabytes, but the free plan on Jokely only lets you upload files under 10 megs. So, are we stuck? Nope, not at all. The fix is actually something super simple called audio compression. You just Google a free online audio compressor, upload your big file, and it'll shrink it down below that 10 megabyte limit in seconds, usually without any noticeable drop in quality. Problem solved. So, with our newly compressed audio file, using Jajic is a total breeze. You upload that smaller audio file, you pick 2 of the free demo avatars they offer, and you just click render. The AI takes over from there, animating the characters to speak your script, lip syncing, and all. So there we have it, 2 totally different ways to get to a final video. One uses classic stock footage, the other uses talking AI characters. So which one is actually the right choice for you? Let's put them head to head. All right, let's break this choice down. The montage path, it's your fast lane. It's simpler and you get a clean video with no watermarks. The only real downside is that it might look a little, generic. The avatar path, on the other hand, is all about novelty. It's unique, it's eye-catching, but you're making a trade-off. It's a bit more work, and the free version is going to have a watermark and that kind of subtle AI look. So really, you're choosing between proven speed and futuristic flash. So what does this all add up to? Well, what we've really done here is assemble a brand new, crazy powerful toolkit for making content. A toolkit that's now available to pretty much anyone with an internet connection. Just look at this lineup. An AI to write your script, another AI to perform it, a free video editor, a library of free visuals, an AI to generate talking characters, and even the little tools to fix problems along the way. Every single part of the creative process is covered for free. And this is the real revolution here. The financial walls, the technical walls, all the things that used to stop people from making high-quality stuff, they're just crumbling down. These tools are making it possible for anyone to create, which really just leaves us with one final and kind of exciting question. In a world where all the tools you need to bring an idea to life are free and right at your fingertips, what story will you tell? What will you create?